Guys, it's Chris, and this is just a little after the 3-year anniversary of this 2018 Kia Soul. Sorry in advance for the road noise. My road gets kind of busy after hours. So how's it been? I put tires on it, windshield wipers. I change the oil every 3,000 to 6,000 miles. I wash it. I had to put an air cleaner in it. I put brakes on it, front and rear. It's still clean. And everything was going great. Keys. This car now has 61,705 miles. I did an oil change about 1,000 or so miles ago, maybe 1,500. And I just want you to listen to this. This is cold. No engine lights on. Eco for my transmission. I can turn that off. My door's open. So here. Totally quiet. No lights. Now the flickering you're seeing is the refresh rate of the GoPro. No lights. Listen. You hear this? Not good. Before y'all getting, oh no, Chris never changed his oil. I am religious on this car. I change my oil all the time. So much so that you can look at the receipts when I do everything: back brakes, front brakes, oil change, the mileage, the listing of what I did. So that's 3/23, a couple days ago. What's today? I don't even know what today's date is. 29th. So last week. This one was 5/6/2020. This one was, they're not in any order, December 2019. October 2019. They're getting younger. I'm going back in time. This is a double oil change. I write sloppy. 23,000 miles and 27,000 miles. Getting younger. I should have went on the other side. 1/4/19. Still, I scan the receipts, you know, every single time. Is this camera even on? Scan receipts. Chris Edwards. August 23rd. Where I did the oil change, where I had it done. 6,000 miles, the receipts. So I kept records of my oil changes. Hopefully they're sort of in order. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's been 10 oil changes. 60,200 miles. Where's the key? So 60,200. I'm at 61,705. So a little bit over 1,000 miles since my last oil change. Now I did check my oil, thinking, oh no, that noise sounds bad. Maybe I should check my oil. Well, let's check it together. So I thought, oh man, something's up. I have a napkin in here. Of course not. But we'll be able to see if it's dirty or not. Now, I made an appointment to the Kia dealer. I usually do all my own oil changes. I follow the manufacturer's recommendation for oil. I've been working on cars for 30 years of my life. I know what I'm doing. So, oil is clear, and it is full. Now, yeah, you're going to be like, oh, you didn't wipe off the dipstick. Well, here you go, boss. We're going to wipe off the dipstick. I'll just wipe it on my hands so it's empty. There, you happy? Nope. And let's go in. Move the camera. I don't know. Get my good hand here. All right, put this back in. Get the oil on my hand from it. Pulling it back out, making a mess. It's clear. It's full. I mean, it might be a little bit like it's not crystal clear because it is a freaking engine and it has 1,000 miles on the oil. But I mean, it's clear. Now, I looked on some YouTube videos and people said, oh, you're gonna have oil in your pan. Oh, I mean, yeah, of course you are. You're gonna have metal in your oil pan. Why are these freaking rags anywhere? That's just great. It literally just made this noise today on the way home from work. So everything was cool. You know, never had a problem with this car. 3 years. Truck, this piece of crap I've had since brand new. I bought it in 2003. Old 2.4 liter Nissan Frontier 5-speed. This sucker's had brakes, tires, gas tanks, fuel pumps, rear ends, 3 transmissions, original engine, 200 and something thousand miles. It sounds like a bunch of monkeys beat on it with wrenches, but you know, it's clear. I mean, it's clear. It's still runs. So I'm just documenting this to, you know, let you know that I do maintenance on all of the fleet. And we got the Tucson over there too, which has the same piece of crap motor that this one apparently has. Now, I did a lot of research before I bought this car. Kia had some major problems with engine oil. What is all this? No, it's pollen. Engine oil, lubrication of the piston rings and the connecting rods on the 1.8 and the 2-liter engine. Same as this one. You're going to notice that this car right here has a battery tender on it, because we never use it. Oh, look, it's the same motor as mine. Now, this engine, even though this is a nicer car, let's get a rag. Do I have a rag? I just had a rag. What'd I do with it? Snuck this one in with the old underwear. So this, I'm just going to pull out. This has, I don't know, a couple thousand miles on it. This car only has 6,000 miles. As you can see, the motor oil is, you know, it's a little bit tan, just mainly from age. This car has, like I said, I think 6,000 miles on it. It's a 2018. She doesn't drive much, okay? This is the same motor as the Commodore Kia. Why the hell do you call your car a Commodore Kia? Well, if it had some red in it, it would be a little better. Because of the Commodore logo. And as you know, I'm a Commodore Amiga freak. Used to work there. And no car is not complete without Commodore sticker on there. So it's just got a nickname, the Commodore Kia. And all I do is drive to work in the grocery store and back home. And the occasional Rofo chicken run, which is 2 or 3 miles up the street. And there was a recall on Kia engines in the past, and I didn't get a notice. My car says 0 recalls. I have an app. It's called the Uvo app, and it's on your phone, and it plugs into the old computer in the car. And what it does is it keeps track of your mileage and stuff like that. I don't know if it's for insurance purposes, more for warranty documentation. I put in whenever I change the oil in there. I did go in today to look at one, and I noticed a typo, so I clicked edit to fix the typo, and it changed the date to today. So it just hit. That was for my 60,000 mile oil change, and I always do them early. They want you to change oil every 7,500 miles or 1 year. I don't like that. I'm an old school guy. I do run all Mobil 1 synthetic, as you can tell by the 8 billion containers of it that I keep around. It's good for the grass. No, I gotta get to the recycling and take that in. I usually take it in big lots, so I usually get about 10 or 15 of these 5-gallon jugs done. And each one's an oil change. So you figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've done 10 oil changes on my car, and here they all are. 2 gallons of antifreeze. This thing's had 1 oil change, and I think its oil is right there. So that's the oil change from the other one. That's in recycled. We actually washed one out. If this doesn't get taken care of, we'll do a new video of like driving it off a cliff or something. I don't know. Maybe we'll get some GoFundMe for a new car for Chris. Anyway, thanks. Okay, it's 5:45 a.m. April 2nd. Here we are in the Kia. I'm gonna leave the lights on for a second. All right, ready? Oh, not bad. Weird. Turn the lights off. 5:44 a.m. on the clock. I got until 7, but I want to get there before traffic. Is this recording? My seatbelt's not on. So, it's not making the noise, which is weird. Maybe because it's cold. I don't know. I'm cold. It's 5:46, about a mile from home. I know it's dark. My apologies. I have the window down to listen for the noise. I have a new squeak. Yeah, I'll put my seatbelt on in a second. It's not making the noise. Interesting. No noise. Listen. Quiet. Weird. 30 miles an hour. Or 40 kph. Interesting. Alright, so we're getting ready to go. As soon as this truck runs his red light. See if it makes the noise. Yeah, hear it? Briefly. Alright. So we're about a mile from it. No noise. But I really can't tell. The outside noise is tremendous. You're going too fast, buddy. But... Kia service. Alright. Butt crack early. It's 6:20. I'm still waiting. It's starting to snow. So everybody, here we are. We're inside York Kia. I just dropped the car off. And we're going to look at the new ones. So here is the new Kia Soul. I guess this is the 2021. Same model that I have, but I think they changed the engine, the transmission to a CVT. And a couple other things different. They changed the headlights also. They're like little tiny ones. And they have these massive like fog lights or driving lights, or I don't know what they are. I didn't like this one at first because it looked like they squished the hood, but it kind of grew on me, and now I really like it. All right, so here we are. I just got notified that apparently I didn't. Something happened to a bearing or something like that. And so anyway, they said the Kia needs a whole new engine. And they're doing some magic and figuring it out. Here's our technician right here. He's gonna do some magic stuff. So apparently he said it comes out from the bottom, and it's cheaper or easier for them to replace the whole thing instead of do machine work and fix the part that broke. So apparently I didn't run over something, and it wasn't loose. Well, something was loose, but it's in the motor. That's not good news. I don't know. We'll keep you updated. That sucks. So anyway, I'm gonna talk to the tech real quick, and we'll touch back later.